Welcome to Civil Concept. In this video, we will learn the basics of how to calculate construction cost estimation using a simple and practical method. This tutorial is useful for civil engineers, site supervisors, contractors, quantity surveyors, and engineering students. Let's begin. Cost estimation is the process of predicting the total cost of a construction project before actual construction starts. It helps in planning, budgeting, resource management, and controlling project expenses. Several factors affect construction cost, including material cost, labor cost, equipment cost, overhead expenses, and contractor profit. Among these, material cost usually occupies the largest portion of the total project budget. There are three main types of estimation. The first is the preliminary estimate, which provides a rough project cost during the planning stage. The second is the detailed estimate, prepared after complete drawings and specifications are available. This is the most accurate estimation method. The third is the revised estimate, which is prepared whenever project scope, design, or rates change. Now let's understand the common methods of estimation. The plinth area method calculates cost by multiplying the building area by the rate per square foot. The cubical content method calculates cost based on the building volume. The most accurate method is the detailed item rate method, where each construction item is measured separately and multiplied by its respective rate. Now let's take a simple example. Suppose we have excavation, PCC, brick masonry, RCC work, reinforcement steel, plaster, flooring, painting, plumbing, and electrical works. After calculating the quantity and rate of each item, the total subtotal becomes 11,32,500 rupees. Adding 5% contingencies gives 56,625 rupees. Adding 10% contractor profit gives 1,13,250 rupees. Therefore, the total estimated construction cost becomes 13,02,375 rupees. Next, let's calculate the cost per square foot. If the total built-up area is 1,500 square feet, then cost per square foot equals total cost divided by built-up area. That is 13,02,375 divided by 1,500, which equals approximately 868 rupees and 25 paise per square foot. Now let's look at a typical cost distribution. Material cost contributes about 32%. Labor cost contributes 23%. Subcontract work contributes 12%. Equipment cost contributes 10%. Contingencies contribute 10%. Overhead cost contributes 8%. And contractor profit contributes 5%. Before preparing any estimate, we need important project documents such as architectural drawings, structural drawings, specifications, rate analysis, and BOQ or quantity calculations. These documents help ensure accurate quantity takeoff and reliable project costing. Let's summarize. Construction cost estimation helps predict project expenses before construction begins. The detailed item rate method is the most accurate estimation method. In our example, the total project cost is 13,02,375 rupees and the cost per square foot is 868 rupees and 25 paise. Accurate estimation is essential for successful planning, budgeting, and project execution. For more civil engineering knowledge and free civil calculators, visit www.civilconcept.com.